In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hair color in Photoshop. This is a quick and easy process that you can follow to give a fresh new look to your photos. Whether you're experimenting with creative photography or just curious about your looks with a different hair color, this tutorial will come in handy. So let's dive right in. First things first, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If it's already installed, you should be able to find it in your applications. If not, you'll need to download and install it first. Once you have it open, it's time to bring in the image you want to edit. For this tutorial, let's assume you already have a picture ready. Click on File in the top menu, then Open, and select the image file from your device. This will bring your image into Photoshop, ready for editing. Now that you have your image open in Photoshop, you'll notice a series of icons on the right side of the screen. Find the circle icon. This is the Adjustments panel, and it's usually located just below the Layers tab. It's represented by a half-filled circle icon. Clicking on this will reveal a list of adjustment layers. From this list, select Hue Saturation. This tool lets you change the colors in your image. Once you've clicked on Hue Saturation, a new panel will pop up, usually on the right or as a layer on your image. Here you'll want to focus on precise color selection. To do that, look for the little pointing hand icon on this panel, which lets you adjust a specific color in your image. With this tool, click directly on the hair in your image. This action helps Photoshop identify the exact range of colors that make up the hair you want to change. Now comes the fun part. With the color selected, you can shift the hue to change the hair color to anything you like. Simply adjust the slider to see the hair color change in real time. If you want to make it more vibrant, you can also play with the saturation slider, which will enhance or subdue the intensity of the color. Remember, the key here is subtlety, so take your time to achieve the perfect tone. And just like that, you've successfully changed the hair color in Photoshop. Play around with the adjustments until you're happy with the results, and of course, don't forget to save your work. Go to File, Save As, and choose the format you prefer, whether it's JPEG, PNG, or a Photoshop file. Congratulations on mastering this quick editing skill. Now you can get creative with different hair colors and add a new dimension to your photos. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.